Hey guys, this is Nguyen. Sorry, this week I'm way too busy getting ready for Comic Con. I'm working on a new banner, so what I'm gonna do is show you this video of my process for inking textures, more specifically wood textures for Groot. So enjoy, and my next video will not broadcast until July 29th. Comic-Con will be over then and things should go back to normal. But check it out. I hope you like this and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Happy inking. And that's it for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week when I will talk about the language. Please subscribe to see more. See you next time.